Hello guys, today I am going to be unboxing Spider-Man for the PlayStation 4. And this is my son Aaron, and I got my little girl Ariel. She's doing a recording on the video for me. So guess what, this video game came out today on the 7th. Well, actually at GameStop they had it at 9 p.m. They had a premiere of it along with NBA 2K or something like that, but I don't care about that. My focus is on Spider-Man. And on the back, this is the back of the box. It says, "Be greater. When a new villain threatens New York City, Peter Parker and Spider-Man's worlds collide. To save the city and those he loves, he must rise up and be greater." Alright, so once again, this is the front, and this is the back, and this is me about to unbox Spider-Man for the PlayStation 4. Here we go.
Yes.
Alright, I don't want to use my teeth again because...
You can't use my teeth.
Yeah, I don't like using my teeth, really.
I said you can use my teeth.
Alright, here we go. Plastic coming out.
Like a Christmas present.
Get out of here, plastic.
What my internet?
This is the front.
Am I getting bigger?
Once again, this is the back. And I'm about to show you how the disc look. Oh, this is another code, so I can't show you guys the code. This is the front of the disc.
Spider.
And this is the back of the disc.
Don't scratch.
Spider-Man for the PlayStation 4. Alright. And this is how the case looks. But let me show you the whole case real quick.
Let me see that real quick. Let me put that at you.
Ooh, wow.
Don't ever show them they were closed, bro, because they'll.
Yeah, I'm going to show you the code.
Hey, y'all.
But, oh
Lord.
Okay. Alright.
School plastic.
Move back, Aaron. Alright, this is the final product of the Spider-Man Unbox. Alright, Aaron, you want to say something about this video?
Give me the.
Alright, Aaron, what you want to say?
Hey,
You don't know what to say. Well, say.
Okay, I want to say something about this Spider-Man. It looks really good to play.
Speak up, Aaron.
And
So they hear you.
it looks like it's gonna be a great game. And whoever played it, they're gonna be amazed by this game because it's so good.
Okay.
And Spider-Man is the best.
Spider-Man is awesome.
Yes, he is. He great. He slings webs and stuff.
Like that.
Something like that. Can't be bitten by spiders, which he's the luckiest guy on the planet. Because I don't know why would we.
And I want to say like, comment, and subscribe of this video.
And yeah, subscribe and hopefully get 100 subscribers so you get
Turn
gift
notification
cards.
bell on, and will notify you. And it will notify you every video that we will.
That sounds like what every
All
basic
right.
YouTuber.
Let me see the case, y'all.
That sounds like what every basic YouTuber would
Let
say.
me,
Like
Ariel.
a subscriber.
We'll be back on.
Alright.
Alright. So tonight, guys, we're going to the movies. All three of us. We're going to go see The Nun. Now, I don't know if I am going to do a review of that movie when it comes out because I heard it was creepy. Real scary. I heard. But anyway,
Creepy.
tomorrow.
I'm a junior.
I don't know. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna do some videos tomorrow. I might even do some gameplay footage of me playing Spider-Man. I gotta find out how to do that. So Spider-Man, 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 Spider-Man. All right. Peace out, YouTube.